Are you ready to have some more fun? Then let's play one more time at Kuya Luis's Haunted Hideaway. This time, I'm against... Nye! Dito na tayo sa laro to. Pero Rafi, huwag ka namang muna dito. Of course, Redson. This time, I'll speak in English. 1 mischievous monarch, 2 terrifying pitfalls, and a billion ways to go mad. You'll find it all behind that door, rearranging. Yup, it's Kuya Billy's Haunted Hideaway. Ito na, Kuya Stel, mag-lure na tayo. Let's play, Kuya Stel. Wow! Bilis mo kasi, Kuya Stel! Mas mabilis ako. Radson, ang bilis mo kasi! Ito na agad, Bruce! Ewan ko na, putik. Nasa na si Kuya Luis? Nasa kaliwa. Doon tayo sa kaliwa, ha? Remember, Kuya Luis is to the left. Yeah, got it. Yo, Bruce, what's up, man? Don't you dare. I think that must be the reference room. We're to the north, right? I knew it. Ew, ayoko dito. Dahil sa mga jowa ko, ayoko na talaga kainin yung jowa ko. Skyler, anong balak mo? Well, iyo mo. Wala kang... Whoa, I like that. We're gonna play a versus minigame. And it's time to play a versus minigame. And I hope I win so I can steal all of my money. Nye! Don't you dare steal my money. Huwag naman mga money ko. Putay ka talaga. Madali yung ginawa na to. Mag-airplane na lang tayo. Ikaw talaga, hindi pa naman yan sa airplano. Mag-crash na naman. Putay ka mo. Bilas na tayo sa kama. Matulong na lang tayo. Huwag na tayo magmura. Hay, namang sarap talaga lumipad sa isang airplano. Magpunta na tayo sa Visayas at sa Mindanao. At pumunta tayo sa Amerika. So relaxing. That game is so easy. Okay, here comes my money, Kuya Stel. Akin na yan! 5 piso lang. Kalahati sa 10. Okay lang. Anong balak mo, Kuya Kokoy? Takolokoy. Kokoy Kabato. Bayad na lang ako sa manong na yan. Bayad ko na lang. Dahil may sapat na akong pera. Ang talo ka, mister! Tayo nga mo talaga. Whoa, would have thought. I'm okay here. At least this will give me enough money. Or a star. So this must be a singer. I'm sure. Wait! Anong balak mo, Rio Ben? Huh? Where does this go? This surprises me though. Never mind, we'll discuss later. And I don't think I need this candy, it's just a junk. Who said I would need it here? Never mind. Tantado! Utain na mo! Akala ko, Kuya Luis, nandito ka! Tantado! Nandito na naman ako sa sinto na itong kwarto na yan. Oh, tinino mo, Rafi, ha? Kung ganon, manalo na ako, magaw ka. Tantado ka, Rio Ben! Hutay ka mo! Sabihin mo, We, binigay mo lang ako, no? We, tantado. Maglaro tayo ulit. Maglaban na tayo. At kung manalo ko, akin na yung pera mo. Puta, inga mo. Mga bobo, mga kako, mga epat, nye. Mga kako ba, epat, mga boys, mga tangin na mga putay ka kayo. Sigapit na naging tantado. Di ako na... Oh, ano na, Ruben? Maglaro tayo basketball. Squatter. Dito na tayo, mag-street basketball na tayo. We will play basketball together with the squatters. Huwag ka naman tumawin ako ng squatter. Puta, inga mo. Ang talo ka, mga puwisit kayo. We! Ano ba yan? Si Stel! O si Kokoy! Di siya o Skyler! Di siya marunong mag-basketball! Ano ba kayo? Mga putay mo! We! Okay, akin na yan! Sampo! Karating na naman tayo! Takay ka talaga! Pero okay lang yan. Dahil may susunod na balag talaga ako. Okay, I think I kinda get it. Let's review the map. So as you can see, we started here, right? The reference room where Kuya Luis is to the west. So it's to the east pala here. So after here, we curve down. And then if we go here, remember just what we did? It curved him go down. And led him here and here. Not like me, I went down straight. So, dito ako. So, yan. Then, when I went up, sintonado pala to. So, we have to keep on going down. So, I think it's the other way around. In order for us to find Kuya Luis, we have to go through all these... Oh my goodness, that sure is a long way. But good luck anyway. Okay, time to speed up. Huwag na tayo maging couch potato dyan. Maglaban na tayo. Tingnan mo. Malaking numero. Malaking dapat. Wala o. We, di ba sabat? Okay lang yan. Dahil may bala kasi ako. Lord, please. Kantado, di ko kailangan yun. Baba. Ay, nako. Sinayin mo talaga yung pera ko. Anong balak mo, Ruben? Kantado! Yun na talaga ang magkakataon sa mga pera na yan. Pero okay lang yan, at least I got a chance. We! Anak ng peke! Ano ba yan si Bruce? Hindi pa siya regular ng pera? Ipalang na ako, mga buwisit ka. Kantado! Oh, I think I kinda get it now. So there's a room down there. We! Salamat sa joke ko dahil kinain mo si Ben. Okay, thank you. Ayoko na yan yung happy na yan. Putay ka talaga. Ayan. At least now I can already sense that there's a room here, here, and down. So one of them is another sintonado. Whoa! Who's that? It's Kuya Gary! Yay! What in the name of the Lord Jesus? Okay, now I can sense that there's a clue now. There is a clue. The reference room where Sporticus is to the north. So therefore, Kuya Luis is not, that's the north. So therefore, that's the room where it's gone to a while ago. Sporticus is in the house, so no need to worry about him with pitfalls and swinging him the wings. Moreover, if you bump into him in one of those rooms, he'll give you a star as a present. Yeah, I know. Alright, Skyler, or Liv. Remember, he's not to the south, he's to the north. I knew it. So therefore, the reference restroom is... kaya pala. So therefore, itong kwarto na to, sintonado. So ito pala yung reference restroom. And there's so many restrooms. What the freaking hell? Yes! Inayaw ko talaga yung Joko. And I don't need candy though. Nothing good today. That is if I can only get Springo candy. But never mind. I got a new plan. So now I can already sense there's a clue. Therefore, Kuya Luis is not to the... Therefore, Sportacus is not to the south. He's to the north. So therefore, he's gonna be this way. But I'm not going there. Let's play a challenge minigame. So now I already know the reference to where Kuya Luis is. It's not at the very reference north. It's somewhere else pala dito sa Timog. Ay nako, that team talaga. Kahit na Wacholis, hinanap ko na talaga si Kuya Luis. Nasa ilagang-ilaga. Pero Wacholis, bigla na ako na tumawid sa Timog. Ano yung klaseng laro na to? I love the colors. At least I love my apples. That's how you play fruits. Yay! Well done, Rafi. You clobbered the challenge. Now throw a dart. Ito na! Pwede! Okay na yan. Sapat na yung pera ko. Kailangan sa naman sa Diyos. Okay na yan. Time for me to eat this candy. Sorry, Estelle. It's just that I have to take all your money. Or maybe if I'm determined to find Kuya Gary, I'll just try to take that room. Unless, si Coco, he will try to take the reference room for where Kuya Gary is. That's the point. Hi, Kuya Dong! Eto na, mga kapuso! Eto na si Kuya Luis! Eto na, Lucky Manzano! Ito na yung bayad ko para sa'yo! Di ka sintonado, singer! Akala ko yung mga sintonado ay nasa baba, yun pala yung sintonado nasa taas! Ewan ko na sa'yo, Kuya Luis, ano bang klase na ron to? Dito sa I can see your house! Yun! Yun talaga yung gusto ko! Too bad it won't be so easy to find me for your second star. Yeah, I know. What a fierce competition! I'm impressed! Now let's take a look at the standings. Well, look at this. It looks like Rafi is the winner. Way how things are going, Skyler is sure to lose. So let's give him a boost. Y'all want a good fight, right? So let's see if this evens the odds. Wait, ano naman yan? Lev, or Rance, or Parker? Wala! Great! At least you got the advantage though. But it still takes a long route to find Kuya Gary anyway. So therefore I'm gonna get there first just before you know it. Before we continue the journey, let's recap. What? Whoa, I've never seen anything quite like it though. Ah, okay, I think I kinda get it. If only sana dapat Kuya Gary were here doon sa Timog. Para watch all this, yun nga, this is the reference room pala. Pero never mind. I know pala that's already sintonado for both of these. So therefore, there are rooms here and here. Then if you were to continue going up, you will have to turn left, 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 and they're up. Yun. So therefore, we can't go here. Otherwise, it'll lead us astray. Then here. So tama, yun talaga yung balak ko. Ay, nako, wala naman talaga yung ate. Para mabibili ako ng candy, para mas mabilis yung lakbay ko. Okay, Rance Kyle. Hanapin mo na si Kuya Gary para matapos yung usapan. Ibibigay ko na para sa'yo. Dahil ikaw talaga yung... Peke naman yung galaw mo. Puputayin mo. So that is the reference room. Nueve. Huwag dito. Ay, nako. If I were to go up right away, that will already end the game. I'm gonna go there first, but I'm not gonna go there. I have another plan. Or maybe I'll just go there so that we can end this game already. I think the video might be too long. So yeah. Alright! Here he comes! Basta I already know this is already the Sintonado. Who's that? It's... Spartacus! Yay! Wahey! Spartacus is Trace of the Red Boost. And he's not only capped off the dreadful pitfall, moreover, he's giving me a star as a present. What a hero! Thanks, Spartacus! That's what I like. At least I'm getting the star oh so fast. Yaha! I'm the winner! Not before you know it, Ben. Even though I claim that you get the Sintonado, I get the Sintonado. Salamat yan kay Kuya Gary. And the winner is... Yeah! I'm the winner! Ingo mo, Ben! Tulog ka na ng Rance Kyle! Dahil ako, may Kuya Gary na ako. Nanalo na ako! Salamat sa Panginoon! Hadep! Panip! Tapos wala na akong problema dito sa jowa ko. Putay ka talaga yung jowa ko. Nye! Kami! Bakit marami ka mga jowa? Dahil nga, all my jowas love me. Eeeeee! Wala akong pakit sa jowa mo. Putak, ina mo. Wahaha! Ito yung sinabi ni Rafi sa pagkatapos ng video ko. Ayun mo yung video. Tayo mo. Ayoko na talaga makikita ko. Tayo mo. Walis ka na dyan, buwisit! Tato kayo, Evan. Yun talagang sinabi ko para sa'yo. Pero because I'm happy today, I just have to say, leave a like if you like this video, and don't forget to post notification. And then, yeah, that's all I have to say, folks. Meet you guys later. Bye!